Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen. You can just simply scroll down here. Now you can find the option delete account, tap on it, and here you can just simply enter your username or email address, and after this you can now tap on next, and after this you can just simply tap on delete account. After deleting your Snapchat account, you can be log in the Snapchat account within 30 days to recover, and it is a way you can deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. And if you cannot log in Snapchat account in the 30 days, the Snapchat account will be deleted permanently. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.